Have you ever wondered how to import goods from China? Fear not, because Honourocean Shipping Company, Limited, your reliable Chinese freight forwarder, is here to help you navigate through this challenge. First, let's talk about sourcing. Once you've found a supplier and agreed on the terms, the next step is to place an order with them. Bear in mind, it's crucial to ensure your supplier understands all the details of your order. Now, on to shipping. After your order is ready, it's time to ship. Honourocean Shipping Company Limited steps in here, 14 years logistics experience, taking care of the logistics, ensuring your goods are picked up from the supplier and transported to the port for shipping. Next is customs clearance. This can be a complex process involving a lot of paperwork. But don't worry, Honourocean Shipping Company Limited has got you covered. They handle all the customs procedures in China, ensuring your goods are cleared for export. Once on the ship, your goods are off to your country. But the journey doesn't end here. Upon arrival, your goods need to clear customs in your country. With Honourocean's guidance, you'll have all the necessary paperwork ready to sail through this process. Finally, your goods are delivered to your doorstep. Yes, you heard that right. Honourocean Shipping Company, Lieutenant DDP Shipping Service ensures your goods are transported from the port to your preferred destination. To recap, the process of importing goods from China involves sourcing, shipping, customs clearance in China, customs clearance in your country, and delivery. It may sound like a lot, but with Honourocean Shipping Company Limited, you get a comprehensive service that simplifies these steps. They handle the logistics, customs procedures, and delivery, ensuring a smooth importing experience. So why choose Honourocean Shipping Company Limited? Their expertise in logistics, their commitment to simplifying the importing process, and their dedication to delivering your goods safely and efficiently make them a top choice for importing goods from China. Remember, with Honourocean Shipping Company Limited, importing goods from China is no longer a daunting task. It's a journey they guide you through every step of the way.